Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a new stock item here at Grantham, in that of the Sprite Major 4SB 2021 model made by Swift. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. This one being a single axle transverse island bed with rear bathroom. Nice generous sized front locker box there for two 6kg gas bottles, your step, steady winder for your leg, electric hookup cable, various items that you might want to put in there, but please be conscious of how you load for that nose weight. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got the Sprite chrome logo and then the decal going all the way down the back of the caravan. You've got a rear access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed. Your magnets here for your clip back door. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a generous sized under-counter Dometic fridge. You've got the stainless steel sink with large work surface and work surface extension. Also an easy usable height microwave with a white wood covering in the kitchen area. 3 gas hob burners on a combination oven and grill with pan storage located underneath. New for 2021 is the Arely Zen wood grain lockers that you see here, and also located across here going into the bedroom area as well. Panoramic sunroof at the front, now standard. Also a medium-sized hecky light. The 2020 fabric scheme carrying through to the 2021 in that two-tone fabric with the tartan finish on the cushions. Generous size front chest here with short pull-out table and storage there, with USB points and also a 240 volt socket and a vent down there for the Truma blown air heating system. So that's your control panel for the Truma blown air, your main control centre for the caravan, and also keypad for the tracker. The Swift command system with built-in digital DAB radio, also ability to control your caravan at a distance via the Swift command app, and various other perks and benefits. Television point located here for a TV on this side chest area with storage underneath. As we move through to the bedroom area, so there is the transverse island bed with bed extension. You've got a clip across concertina blind to shut off the bedroom area should you need a bit of privacy. Generous size wardrobe here with your freestanding table, hanging rail and Vision Plus and multi-directional aerial with further storage shelves as well. So really well finished wardrobe there. Storage located underneath, and also your second television point located here with again storage underneath and a vanity mirror tucked away in the corner with a cupboard behind it, and that's where you'd pop your TV on. You've got that wood grain going through again, like I mentioned earlier, into the bedroom area with a medium-sized hecky light and a further wardrobe to the other side of the bed. You have a very generous sized individual shower cubicle, vanity mirror in the bathroom area with a quality finish on the sink with plenty of storage dotted throughout the bathroom as well. The 2-lay bike rack fixing, so Swift being one of the rare manufacturers that you can put a bike on the back of the caravan on a 2-lay bike rack. Up to 50 kilograms worth of payload can go on the back of that. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Sprite Major 4SB 2021 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.